Hello, I'm Katie Walker, Senior Outreach and Engagement Coordinator, and welcome to the first ever edition of the Live Green in Plano Buzz, your source for all things sustainable in Plano. Each month, we'll bring you news and resources from the City of Plano's Sustainability Division, everything you need to live green in Plano. This month, we start with sprinklers. Up to half of the water we use outdoors is lost due to inefficient parts and practices like runoff and watering in the rain. Plus, residents often underestimate how much water their sprinklers use. I'm here with Andrea Chick, Senior Water Conservation Coordinator, who has more on watering wisely. So, Andrea, how much water can a single broken sprinkler head even waste?
Hi, Katie. Thanks so much for having me, and that's a great question. Did you know about 25,000 gallons can be wasted in just 6 months, or about 4,000 gallons a month if you have a broken sprinkler head running?
That's an amazing amount of water. So what do you recommend?
Well, the most important thing you can do is a monthly walkthrough while your sprinkler system is running, so you can find and flag and fix any of those broken or misaligned sprinkler heads. If you're unsure about how to do that, we actually have a great e-module called Water Everywhere. It will help you learn how to fix any of those problems that you may have, especially those simple things. It makes sprinkler repair fun, it's interactive, and you can access that at plano.gov/modules.
Awesome. And I hear that there's a really great incentive program over the summer if you complete the e-learning.
Yes, if you complete it, you can register for a chance to win a $25 water utility credit.
Nice.
We select one winner every month, and we do that all the way through the end of August. So you have lots of time to participate.
So you can go to plano.gov/modules and select Summer Smart Sprinkler Contest to get started. What other tips do you have for watering wisely, Andrea?
Again, the most important thing you can do are those monthly walkthroughs to check your sprinkler system. If you have a problem that you don't feel comfortable fixing, make sure you're hiring a licensed irrigator. You can access that through the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality. Make sure you're sticking to your watering days. That's really important. Mondays and Thursdays for even numbers, and Tuesdays and Fridays for odd numbers. If you're unsure about those, you can check plano.gov/watering or plano.gov/justwater and find lots of good conservation tips.
That is so great to know. Thanks, Andrea, for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Katie.
Another way to water wisely, choose plants that thrive in the North Texas heat and require less water to begin with. The Plano Environmental Education Center's demonstration garden is the perfect place to see many native and adapted plants in action. Discover your favorites and learn important details about them before adding them to your landscape. The demonstration garden is open to the public daily from sunrise to sunset and is located at 4116 West Plano Parkway. And speaking of native and adapted plants, we need your help to designate the City of Plano as a community wildlife habitat. Here's what you can do, whether you have a big backyard or a bitty balcony. If your landscape supports wildlife, visit nwf.org/certify to designate it as a certified wildlife habitat. Your landscape qualifies if it offers several key features for our nature friends, like food, water, and cover. You have the option to choose a garden sign like this one to celebrate your certification. Each certified landscape helps the City of Plano achieve its goal. Thank you for your help and for supporting wildlife. Now it's time for our final segment, Recycle Right Wrap-Up. Each month, we'll discuss one commonly discarded item and how to properly dispose of it. Michael, take it away.
Hello, I'm Michael Thibodeau, Senior Waste Reduction Coordinator. This month, I'm talking about aluminum cans. With kids at home and all that extra hydration thanks to the summer heat, you might have more aluminum cans than usual. Did you know that aluminum is the most valuable recyclable? That's because it can be recycled indefinitely. Unlike other materials, it does not lose quality each time it's recycled. So, when you can, choose aluminum cans over plastic and glass bottles whenever possible. And be sure to put all your empty, clean and dry, uncrushed aluminum cans into your recycling cart. For more ways to recycle right, visit plano.gov/recycling. That's plano.gov/recycling. And I'll see you next month.
And finally, we'd like to thank all the volunteers who helped us achieve our Great American Cleanup goal of collecting 12,000 pounds of litter from March through May. Way to go, Plano! Stay connected by following us on Facebook at Live Green in Plano and subscribe to our monthly e-newsletter at livegreeninplano.com to stay in the know. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you soon for the next edition of the Live Green in Plano Buzz.